just a simple prompt to turn Sonnet into a dialogue agent that will talk with you in a language that you're trying to learn. So I chose Spanish, and I wanted it to basically take my imperfect Spanish and help me improve it. So I decided I wanted it to do a few things. I wanted it to take my message, which will be in kind of imperfect Spanish, and write out what it thinks I intended in English. I then ask it to write back the ideal learner message, which is just my message as it kind of should have been written in Spanish, so I can see the kind of ideal form of this. Then I ask it to write a teacher response, which is just a response to me in Spanish, so that I can continue the conversation. Great, so this is basically just Sonnet saying that we're ready to start, so I'll just start with a simple first message. And here it's following the format that I asked for, so it's repeating the message that I tried to send it back to me in English. It's telling me how I should have said it, so it's corrected some of the grammar issues in my request. And then it's responded to me in Spanish. And then it's asked me where I'm from, so... Okay, now imagine I don't know a certain word in Spanish, but I still want to say it. I'm going to just include that word in English in square brackets, and hopefully it'll just translate it back to me. And suppose I hit a roadblock because I just don't understand the message that it sent to me. I can just ask it to translate that message to me into English, and then I can read that and I can respond to it again in Spanish, continuing the dialogue. And as a final step, you could ask Sonnet to create a little quiz for you based on the things that you've been discussing. So hopefully that is a useful prompt if you're interested in using Sonnet as a language learning partner. I hope you try it out.